Previously, Apple produced only one smartphone per year, then their number increased to 2, and then it reached 3. For example, this year it is the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. However, next year the number of new products may change again, and upwards. How? Wedbush analyst Dan Ives predicts that Apple will release 5 new smartphones at once next year. These are 4 models of the iPhone 12 family and the very budget iPhone SE2, which has been rumored for a long time. Dan believes that representatives of the iPhone 12 line will receive 5G support, and the number of modules of the main camera will increase due to the TOF sensor. But iPhone SE2 is credited with the design of the iPhone 8, a single camera, the new A13 chip, like the iPhone 11 Trio, a 4.7-inch LCD display, 3 GB of RAM and a Lightning connector, not USB-C.